This is what it's like in Buffalo. Plow trucks buried. Mounds of snow covering church entrance. It's so crazy. We can go from this, or you can damn near see the ground. You see the ground right here? And this is the light part. This is the best it's been in over 24 hours. But here's where it changes. From this to this. And when I say it's hard to walk, it's all the way up to my waist. Waist high. I have to go around the side of houses to try to get a break in my travels. I mean, you can see damn near cars are buried. Cars are damn near buried. It ain't the blizzard of 77, but it's close. It's bad. It's bad.